I probably have made the best purchase ever in my life. Okay guys, so we are on our way to our first stop. We are going to Claire's. They open at 10, but it's like 10 minutes to 10, so we're gonna see if they have any Series 3 mini brands. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me. So I hope you enjoy this vlog, and make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Let's go. Hey guys, we made it. I don't know. Found it. Hey guys, so we did not secure the bag. They only had like 2 toys. So now we're headed to Claire's #2 and a few other stores. So stay tuned. Hey guys, we're at the mall now. We're gonna see if they have anything good. Guys, I probably have made the best purchase ever in my life. Oh my goodness, I was not expecting it. It just happened. Something just said, get it. So I went in there. As you guys know, I went to two Targets, 2 Claire's. First Claire's didn't have it. So I wanted to get there early before anybody got there. When I got in the second Claire's, nobody was in there. So I asked her cash register. I'm such in shock right now. I asked her, I'm like, is there a limit? Do I have to have a limit on these mini brands? And she's like, no. Very, very nice young lady, let me tell you. I forgot to get her name, but hopefully it's on her receipt. She was like, if you buy them all, I give you a discount. So I'm like, oh my gosh, how much is it gonna be? Because $12.99 at Claire's is a lot of money. And she was like, well, I originally was gonna get 8, and then she was just clicking. She's like, it's gonna be 400 and something. And I'm like, but she was like, no, but with the discount, it's gonna be 270. So I'm like, that kind of sounds like a good deal for 24. And she was like, because they just put them out, because there was still 24 in the box. So she was like, with the discount is 270. And I'm like stuck. I'm like, what should I do? Because these are the new mini brands, and I know they're not going to hit Target because Wave 2 took forever to hit Target. And I'm like, you know what? I'm just going to do it. Because we hit, excuse my pimple, we hit 22K. So I said, I'm just going to do it for my Auntie Anisha fam. So, you guys, let me show you what I got. So I got the whole box. She gave me the box, and it came with 24. Oh my goodness, guys! Like I said, this is like probably the best purchase I ever purchased in my life. These couldn't fit, so she put them in a bag for me. It's like 2, 4, 6, 7. The rest are in here. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited. So thank you guys so much for 22K. But yes, guys, this is my babe for today. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you guys, who is it? Sophie's Toys and Challenges told me that she found them at Claire's, and I had lost hope because my first Claire's didn't have it. So I'm like, what makes the other Claire's, like, I didn't think they was gonna have it either. So I was about to give up, but I'm glad I didn't. I'm glad I pushed through, and I got them, guys.